What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's take some time to talk about Cardano because I know you guys see the title. I know some of you may be skeptical. Some of you may be like, yeah, I mean, that may be an understatement. Looking at, you know, Cardano at a $200 billion market cap is kind of a lowball number. I expected to go somewhat higher than that. And you may be right. I think Cardano is a great project. I've invested into Cardano before. I made money with Cardano. And obviously, I'm able to make money now. I'm up on my current Cardano. And I think that holding what I'm holding, it makes me want to continue to buy more. It makes me want to invest so much more into this, seeing where the future value is, seeing where the past was, seeing all the different things that are connected with it. So I wanted to go into Cardano as a whole. I wanted to go into my position. I also wanted to go through a little bit of a price prediction that we do see that's out there. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the links that are in the description, which you guys can check out. And, for my referral links, if you want to, sign up for Webull, for KuCoin, for crypto.com, for Coinbase, whatever it is, right? Go ahead and sign up for those and check that out. Now, I wanted to go over to my other channel because I talked about Cardano a number of times. Now, I'm going to be transitioning this a um, more to a stock related channel because this is all about crypto, and I may have a lot more on crypto on my reaction channel, reacting to different news that's out there, crypto and stock related news that happens. But on this channel, I actually talked about Cardano a number of times, right? I talked about it getting to $3 or getting to $100 billion market cap, but not only $100 billion market cap, I believe it can go so much further. And it's kind of just showing like, oh, it can get back to all-time highs. It can get to past all-time highs. Now it can go well past where the ceiling is for a lot of altcoins at the moment. I expect to see so much more of a ceiling. So I've talked about Cardano a number of times. I think it was like one, two, maybe three times over on this channel or something like that. Maybe yeah, three times on this channel. And it's got a number of views each time, which is really, really good. So I appreciate you guys that are watching over there. If you want to go and subscribe to that and see some more stock related content, you will get that over here. And we're going to start doing that a lot more. But anyways, we're here to talk about this position, which is currently at 39 cents and is up about 4%. We see this at a low point in the last month of 32 cents, a high point of 41 cents. In the last year, we've seen this at a high of $1.24 and a low of 24 cents. If you were able to get this at 24 cents, that is a absolute steal of a price for Cardano. Because if you were able to get a lot at 24 cents, just understand that this is going to be worth so much more, not only from the amount of people that are holding it, but the use case, the stakeability of it, the APYs that you're gaining, and just the overall push that we are going to see in the crypto market and how much of a bullish project this is and how bullish I am on this project. So currently you're seeing it at a 30 or $13.5 billion market cap. We've seen this at a high. If we look at the market cap, we've seen this at a high of a $94 billion market cap, which we did see this at about a $3 price point. So expecting this to get back to a $100 billion market cap or close to it. I have the full expectation that it's going to get there. I have the full expectation knowing that the crypto market is very bullish on this project and a lot of the top 10 projects. It is ranked as 8th on the list by market cap, and that's including the stable coins. So it would probably be somewhere around 5th or 6th without those stable coins, maybe even in the top 5, not just looking at 5, but maybe even 4 at that point. But anyway, sitting at a $13.5 billion market cap, the overall supply, we're seeing about 77% of the overall supply that is out there. Total supply, we see about 35.4, which we see circulating supply at 34.6 billion coins. Now, you have a lot of people that are staking this position, a lot of people that believe in this position. And one of those people is me, right? I'm holding Cardano. I'm holding 7,118 Cardano, at which I am receiving 2% APY within this position. Currently up a slight bit on Cardano, $276 at the moment, and I expect to be up so much more than that as time goes on. If you look at the amount of days of typical hold time within this is something I know is a solid strength. It's over a half a year of typical hold time. People are holding this for a half a year, longer than it takes for your new baby to roll over. They're holding this for a long time, right? Your new baby isn't even eating solid foods yet, right? That's I don't even know. I don't know that time frame. I think it's like 8 months or something like that. But let's say the pureed foods, right? Anyways, let's get away from the baby talk. 193 days of typical hold time. That is insane. And to see a 3% or sorry, 2% APY, people are gathering an APY as they are holding this position. And me, I'm included. 7,000 ADA is what I am holding. And I'm so tempted to buy more for the short term, maybe in the next month or so, and see this increase and maybe even increase that overall position that's there, so that I can, use that for whatever I want to use it for, maybe taxes or something. So it's kind of making me want to buy into this position right now. But then again, I don't want to buy into a position as it is up 5%. I never buy into a position when it's positive. I buy into a position when things are negative. That's just me. So when we get into like price predictions and understanding what's going on with the Cardano and where other people believe that this will go, just to understand this portion, right? In 2023, they believe the minimum price will be 20 cents. And if I can get it at 20 cents, that would be an absolute steal. The maximum price, $1.97. Which for me would be about $14,000, and I would have gained maybe $12,000 out of it, maybe a little bit less. Now, 2024, they expect the minimum price at $1.73 to $3.50, which would break the all-time high in a matter of 2 years. Now, that would be great to see that within that year. I don't know when it will happen within that year, but we should see a bullish run or bullish momentum for the next 3 years after seeing a bearish market for a year. Now, if we skip forward, maybe skip to 2027, we're going to see at a level of $6 to $8.09. Now, a $6 price point would be around a $200 billion market cap at the current level. Now, I would imagine they would add some of that supply that's in there. Some supply would be removed because it's being staked heavily. So that would be the 200 billion. However, it's looking to move forward. And 2030, a maximum price of $10.91 and a minimum price, minimum price of $10.91, a maximum price of $12.68. Again, double that at a $400 billion market cap. That is absolutely insane. That's a lot of money, right? I would take it. I don't know how much I will have at that point. Maybe I'll have about 1,000. Maybe I won't. If I do have 1,000, that'll be $12,000 that I end up having at that time period. But I would imagine before that, I would make some moves and sell off some of my position as time goes on to fiat currency in order to do whatever I want with it, make another investment somewhere else, and see other opportunities. But I'm telling you, this is going to be a big project, and there's a lot of good projects that are out there. But what we don't understand, what some people don't understand, is what are the great ones. And I think Cardano is going to be one of the great ones. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.